Welcome back to our SketchUp for Schools tutorial series here in using our Blueprint Series Plan Set 5 project. It's that Plan Set 5 11 drawings, and in this video we're going to take a look at doors. So in a previous video we did all of the door trim, and now we're going to create doors and use the rotate tool in order to open those doors up. So to begin with, we're going to do the front door, and so we'll go to the inside part of the door, and we're simply going to create a rectangle. So go in here, the very top corner, and let's create a door all the way to the very bottom. Take our push pull, and we're going to pull this out 1.5. Now we're going to kind of go underneath, and we're going to push that up 0.5. If you don't like doing that, you can also come in here and do a tape measure up 1.5 or 0.5 from the very bottom and draw your rectangle correctly the first time instead of altering it afterwards. Either way is fine. We're going to triple click on our door, right click, and let's go ahead and make this a component. This is going to be 3 foot front door. If we wanted to open this, the way we can do that is you have your move tool. Underneath your move tool is our rotate tool. Here you can hover over the corner. Now it will be one of 3 colors: green, red, or blue. You can change those by using your arrow keys. So for example, if I hover over that corner and then hit the up arrow key, that will align it to the blue axis. I can then click once in order to set my rotate tool in that corner. I'm going to come over, and I need to create the 0 point, and then I can swing my mouse around to open it up to where I want it to open up to. So let's say I want to open it up around there, and there we go. So that's going to how you're going to open up our doors and everything. Now let's take a look at our closet door. So our closet door is going to be a little different. It's going to be kind of a bifold kind of door. So we're going to have 4 smaller doors fit here. So to begin with, let's take our line tool, and we're going to simply draw a line in the corner there. Next, take your selection tool, click on that line. Okay, click on the line, take your move tool, click on it, hit Control to make a copy, and drag it over to this point. Before you do anything else, you're going to hit the / button, which is just to the left of the shift key, and then you're going to type in 5, and then you're going to hit enter. If you do that correctly, you should see this right here. So here's going to be a door, this is going to be a door, this is going to be a door, and this is going to be a door. Actually, we need to do /4. There we go. So /4, and that is going to be our 4 doors. At this point, let's go ahead and make it easier on ourselves by creating that 1/2 inch buffer. And I'm going to create guides along each one of these lines. So I'm going to simply double click on these lines in order to create a guide that goes all the way up. And then let's go ahead and draw in our rectangle. So I'm going to go here from this very bottom right hand corner. Go all the way up, make sure you go up to the very top corner and not this corner here. Once that's the case, take your push-pull tool and we're going to pull this out 1.5 inches. Here, once we made the door, we need to triple click on it, right click, make this component. This is going to be our bedroom door, click OK. Now you're going to take your move tool, you're going to hover over that corner, hit Control, we're going to make the copy of it, bring it over, you're going to hit X3, hit enter, and now we have our 4 doors. Now let's say we want to open these up to just showcase. Let's say we did a closet system and all of that, and we want to open these up. So we're going to select our first door. Underneath our move tool is our rotate tool. Just what we did before, we're going to hover over the corner there. If you get it to come up with the blue axis, you can hit the up arrow key, we'll force it there. We need to set our 0 point and then rotate our door around to where we want it to be. At this point, we need to click on a move tool again. Select our other door. We're going to click on this very back corner. We want to move this up and click on it to that corner. In order to rotate this one correctly, we need to go to the inside part of this. Click on your rotate tool again. Again, it needs to be the blue axis because it's going around the blue axis. Set your 0 point and we're just going to pull this in like so. We do have a few pieces we need to clean up. So let's go to Edit Component, Erase, and let's erase these lines. We have one on the other side. And let's delete our little lines. So there we go. Here, let's go ahead and open these other 2 up. If you misclick, like if I clicked on the red axis by mistake, just hit escape and that will undo it. Hit your up arrow key, make it blue, and come over here and let's open up this door. Select our move tool. We want to do the inside corner. Set our corner to this corner. You'll always want to move things from a corner to a corner. That's the only way that they will snap together. Here I'm going to erase these lines. Let's set our rotate tool again. And let's rotate this door around. So go ahead and create one more door. We're going to create this door here, and then let's bring in a door handle. So make this easier, we're going to take our tape measure, create our just a 0.5, take our rectangle tool, and let's draw in our rectangle door. get in there. There we go. So select that. Push-pull tool. We're going to pull this out 1.5. Take our selection tool. We're going to triple click on it, right click, make this component. This is going to be our 2'6" door. And it's going to open up in this direction. So we need a door handle over here. So if we come over here to our components, so here, close up my outliner panel. Over here in our components, we can click on create and type in door handle. And we have, go through here, we can look at the different handles that we can look at or we can see. So I'm just going to do a simple one, like, let's see if we can find a regular round door handle. So I'm going to do this one right here. Let's do this one right here. So we're going to click on it, bring it in, and select it and put it into our area. So here we're going to click on one of the corners, and we're going to come over here and we're going to place it into our area. To place this correctly, we're going to click on our tape measure. We're going to go from the very bottom. We're going to go 3'6". And we're going to go over 3 inches. And that's going to be our place. So come over here, click on our center point, and we're just going to drag this up and place it right there. Let's go ahead and create other side. So hit Control, make a copy. We're going to drag this along the green axis, rotate this around. Rotate this around. Because I moved it along the green axis, I'm just going to move it back along the green axis and place it there so it's in the exact same location. If you didn't, you can come up here and just do the tape measure again, 3.5 feet from the top, from the bottom, and 3 feet or 3 inches from the left. Let's go ahead and bundle all of this together. So we're going to take our selection tool, hold down Shift, click on the door, click on this other our other door handle, and make all of that into a group. Now if we wanted to open this up, we can come up here with your move tool, hit your rotate tool, and let's go ahead and open up this door. And because it's all one group, now we can open up there. If we wanted to put door handles onto this one, it's best if we close it. That makes it really a lot easier to put your door handles there. So I would close this one, then put your door handle on there. So that finishes up this project. In our next episode, we will start kind of bringing more things into from the 3D warehouse and using some textures. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes in this playlist.